Through the shadows, fear can't hold me down, for the light of faith surrounds me. His love's the strongest sound. In the Word I find my strength. With Him I'm truly free, guided by your holy love. It's your face I long to see. Walk with the light through every storm and night. His hand is always holding, guiding me towards His side. When the path seems weary and hope is out of view, His promise shines upon me. My heart's redeemed anew. In moments of temptation, in whispers soft and sweet, your grace embraces all my faults, makes my soul complete. Trusting in your power, I find my strength in you. With every step I journey on, towards promise ever true. So walk with the light. You saved my soul today, and with your love unending, I'll always find my way.